Hello and welcome to another Wilderness Tamed video, and in this one I'm thinning out apples. Ooh. Especially the rubbish little tiny ones. Working my way up the stems of this tree and just getting rid of the least healthy looking of the crop. If you have a look under here, so there's 3-4 apples in there. None of them look particularly bad. Let's just flip you around so you get the same. So all I'm doing is working my way along each stem and the tree. Where have we got to here? That's all right. And up there. Yeah, it's not too bad. What have we got on here? They look okay. Oh, there's a cluster here. Oh, yeah, there's a little raggedy looking job there. I can get rid of him. Oh, got rid of that one as well. Still no harm done. What's left will do better. This looks okay. There's a very small one in that pair. But again, it's on a separate truss, so we might leave it. There's a horrible little wrinkly thing there, look. Get rid of that. And there's some up there which will take a bit more of a stretch to get, but they're very tightly bunched, so we need to thin some of those out, especially the horrible little thing at the bottom there. Let's go along here when we can reach a bit better. What have we got going on in there? So there's a fairly pointless couple of apples. The rest look okay. That one's a bit gnarly. Don't know what's going on with him. I'll cut that one out. Yeah, it's a bit of a highly deformed. Over here looks okay. That one's a bit scabby looking. Nobody's going to want to eat that. Get that out. On to the next stem. Oh dear, there's a right old mess. It's just to give the decent apples on each stem a better chance and a bit less competition. So they look okay. I'm going to remove him or her. I suppose they're all fairly non-gender specific. Ugh. Bit of a horror story at the end there. Yeah. Yeesh. You can see I'm just chucking them into this hedge where they'll eventually drop to the ground and add a little bit of nutrient of some description. There's another rank one there. Get rid of that little one. Oh, okay, get rid of those two. That was an accident, sorry. Yeah, and that's all you do, is work your way around the tree, methodically going up each branch and thinning them out. And that's all there is to it. And that informative and as educational as ever. And now you can head out and de-stress your own apple tree. There's a lot to do on this, so I'm going to crack on. I'll leave you to it, and I'll try not to disturb these wasps too much. There's one right on the phone now. Okay, I'm going to move on. See you in the next one. it.